Aja nanti. Kita aja nanti. Kita nengok.
Well, hello and welcome to what amounts to football heaven. It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the Mohamed Salah! He's looking to get there first. Aimed long and direct. Well positioned to make that interception. Messi. And Messi! Marvellous goal!
And some of the best managers I played for insisted on starting games as you mean to go on. And we've just seen a very important opening goal from an extremely talented individual who looks primed for more. He really does look at it.
That has brought the house down. What a wonderful hit.
Is it just me, or did he make that look very, very easy? That was terrific skill and composure from him. Finished with such aplomb.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Messi plays it out to the wing. Parejo. Out to the left it goes. Forward it goes. And now they can launch a counter. It's loose. Who's getting there? Oh, good interception. Vidal. And it's Luis Suarez. Drexler is the guilty party there. Now it's Messi. He's managed to get himself offside.
Well, if the defensive pushing up is accompanied with the right pressing, offsides are going to be commonplace.
Needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. Kyle Walker. No, that's not the ball he wanted. Messi. The ball's come loose and the chase is on. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. And the ball's come out. That's up top. He's done very well to get to that.
Marcelo sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
Shoots! And he comes up trumps again. Salah. Now it's Messi. It's got loose. Played out to the right. And it's Messi. And now the finish. Luis Suarez! Drexler. Bonaventura goes looking. Salah. And he's cut it out. Kyle Walker. And it's Salah.
Oh, good ball. Well, when the options aren't quite present in the box, it's the crosser's interest to hold on for the support.
Drexler
with a delicate ball. Half-time whistle goes. There we are. Off they go for half-time. The breakthrough did indeed come in the first half. There has only been that one goal. It is very, very tight. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes? Well, I think the scoreline offers a fair reflection of the level of endeavour from both teams. I think they lead because they did most of the probing. A little more penetration, I think, should help them get the job done. Leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break. So off we go once more. Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it. And a header! Great save, real class. Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with. He's had a shot! Felipe Luis gets it back. Salah. Parejo. And Messi! Now it's Vidal. Rakitic plays it forward. Now a chance to break. He's left his man. This is quite a run and has a swing at it. This could fall anywhere. Well, it's good stuff. This is better. This isn't the time to talk about risks now, Jim, is it? They just have to hurl everything at it and hope for a break. Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do. Very well to intervene. Rakitic. And it's got through. Oh, he's come up against a brick wall there. Cleared without complication. And it's Walker. Chipped through. Bonaventura tries to get it forward quickly. Forward it goes. Going through. Timely intervention. Kyle Walker. And he's being judged offside. Yeah, it looks like he did make his move just a smidgen too early. There's some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Kimmich. Vidal. Now it's Luis Suarez. It's a loose ball. There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they? And back to base. Otamendi. To the keeper and try something new. Almost there, and the players can feel it. There's Luis Suarez. He's got away. Luis Suarez! It's broken loose. They've been denied a chance to develop any rhythm in the passing department. Messi finds himself offside. The final whistle. Terrific contest. Really might have tipped either way. The margins were tiny. Just a goal in it. But that was enough. Well, that was a hard-fought win with defensive masterclass. They backed up their goal with a resilience that was